This is Minute English.
In talking about money, there's a
Very strange phrase that we use, and that is rolling in the dough. Rolling in the dough. To roll, imagine if your dog is on the floor and he rolls over. He's rolling, doing circles with his body, with his back and then his paws and then his back. He's rolling. To roll in the dough means you have a ton of money. It's like you have money all over your floor and you can just roll around in it. Dough is another way to say money. I've got lots of dough. I've got lots of money. And if you're rolling in the dough, you have a ton of it. You can just throw it wherever you want and spend it how you want. Have you ever known someone who was rolling in the dough? They had so much money, they didn't know what to do with it.
But did that same person use it to encourage and help others? There have been some people like that in my life.
And I am so thankful that while they had a ton of money, they were thinking of how to use it to love and encourage others. I'm thankful for that.